In this video, I'm going to tell you how to renew your HDFC Ergo health insurance policy online from the HDFC Ergo website directly. To do that, first type HDFC Ergo on Google and open the first link. Here you can see hdfcergo.com, or you can also go directly to this website. I will give the link in the below video description. Just click on that link. Don't open this sponsored link. If you open this link, it will redirect to another page. Open this link hdfcergo.com. When you click on that link, this page will open. It is the home page of hdfcergo.com. Here you can see an option called renew on the header. Under renew, you can see health insurance. Now click on health insurance. Here you have to enter your mobile number or email ID registered with the HDFC Ergo or the policy number. I have entered my mobile number and I am clicking on renew now. Now a one-time password will be sent to your mobile number. Now enter that OTP here. After entering the OTP, click on verify. I have two policies in my HDFC Ergo dashboard. One is for mine and other one is for my father. And the policy will be expired in next 11 days. Here I am selecting my policy and I am clicking on renew now. After clicking on renew now, it will take 3 to 5 seconds to open this page. And my policy name is HDFC Ergo Optima Secure Individual Plan. And you can see the expiry date. Here the nominee age is missing, so I am entering it. So please check if you have any missing information on this page. Here you can see the sum insured amount and the policy tenure. And if you want to make any changes to your policy, select policy related changes before renewal and accept all the terms and conditions and click on submit so that a new page will open. Here you can make changes to your policy like increase in sum insured and decrease in sum insured and member addition and deletion. And if you want to add any riders, then check this rider box. And if you want to change the tenure, you can also check the tenure change. If you do any changes, then the premium will increase. Right now, I'm not doing any changes to my policy, so I'm going back. If you do not want to make any changes, then untick this box and accept all the terms and conditions and select go green to receive the soft copy of your policy, and to fetch the KYC, tick this box. After selecting all these boxes, here you can see the total payable amount. It is 14,000. Now click on pay now. If your KYC matches with your policy, then you will be redirected to this payment page. If you have HDFC credit card, then select HDFC credit card option, or if you have any other bank's credit card, then select bill desk. I'm selecting bill desk and I will click on proceed to pay. After making the payment, I will come back again. See, my payment was completed. And here you can see your policy number and the policy has been sent to registered email ID. You can download your policy copy by clicking below. If you want to download the policy, just click on download policy and your policy will be downloaded to your desktop or your mobile. This is my new policy document. And here you can see the policy will be valid from the new date and the renewal date also you can see here. So like this, you can also do renewal of your HDFC Ergo policies from the HDFC Ergo website. Still, if you have any questions, ask them in the below comment section. For more videos like this, subscribe to Raj Tech India. Thank you.